Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Sacha Cosmetics Micellar water, and I would also be using this to remove the makeup that I'm currently wearing. So the Sacha Cosmetics Micellar Skin Cleansing Water is said to be a 3-in-1 product which removes makeup, soothes and refreshes the skin. It's made for the face, eyes and lips, and also suited for all skin types. You can get a large bottle which is 500 milliliters of product, and the cost of this is $45 TT. So I never really tried this product before, but I kind of just like threw some on my hand to see like how the texture of the product would be. I thought it would be like the Garnier Micellar water, but it is way different. I don't know, it's kind of giving baby oil. I usually use baby oil to remove my makeup, so that's why I could say it's giving baby oil. And like when you shake it up, you could see it's a very oil based product. So let me show you what I mean when I say it's giving baby oil. So I'm just gonna throw a little bit on the back of my hand, and this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm first gonna start by removing my eyelashes. I don't use makeup wipes, I just use regular baby wipes with whatever product that I would use to remove the makeup. So in this case we're using the Sacha Micellar water. Yeah. And I like to start by removing my face makeup. See how easy it came off. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use another wipe for my eyes.
You make me wanna
going to remove now is this brow liner and my waterline, which is the JUVIA'S base, and that usually gives me some yeah, this usually is kind of hard to remove.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all over.
The product did do a great job at removing my makeup. My baby oil, guys, oil, but I do recommend that you guys try it. It's very affordable. So hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumb up, comment down below, share, subscribe, and subscribe. Please turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any future videos. Follow me on Instagram. All the information will be down in my description box, so please be sure to check there. And I will see you guys in my next video.